All right. Well, I guess I talked too much and too slowly. So we have to finish up 8, and I might as well talk a little bit about 7 so that we know how we got those answers in case somebody is confused. So April claims that those are the solutions to the inequality. Um, is she correct? Why or why not? So if I backtrack here a little bit, let's do this. We have y is greater than 5x plus 1. So if I take my first 22 and 15 and I plug that in, I would have 15 is greater than 5 times 2 plus 1. Well, 5 times 2 plus 1 is 11. So is 15 greater than 11? Well, yes, that would be a true statement for that. For the second one, if I plug in the point of 0, 1, we're trying to figure out is 1 greater than 5 times 0 plus 1. Well, 1 or 5 times 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So we're saying this whole thing is equal to 1. Is 1 greater than 1? Well, no, it's equal to 1, but it's not greater than 1. So if that had a symbol of greater than or equal to, we'd be okay, but it's not. And then finally, let's just test the last one here. We're checking -1, 7. Same type of thing. 7, we're checking to see is 7 greater than 5 times -1 plus 1. Well, 5 times -1 would be -5 plus 1. That would give us a total of -4. 7 is greater than -4. And so, yeah, that one would work. So, in conclusion, is she correct? No, she is incorrect because it equals. So if the symbol were greater than or equal to, she would be correct. Okay, but because it's not going to work. All right, and then if we go back to number 1 or number 7 real quick, the reason we got these was just plugging in, just like I did on number 8. Plug in, your values for x and your values for y, and see if that gives you a true statement. So like 2 times 5 plus 9, we're checking to see is that less than or equal to 6. Well, definitely not. That's 19, and that's not greater or less than 6. -1 times 2 plus 4. So we'd have -2 plus 4 is going to be 2. Is that less than or equal to 6? Yes, it is. If I plug in 12, I would have 24 minus 12 is 12. So 24 minus 12 in this case is 12. Is that less than or equal to 6? No, that's not one. That one's not going to work. And then finally, the last one, 2 times 15 is 30. Minus 30 would give us 0. So is 0 less than or equal to 6? Yes, yes, it is. And that's why that one works. All right. Come see me if you need some help. The test is on here in a couple of days.